This is the question of network theory, GATE 2017. The question is that the switch is open for a long time and it is closed at t equal to 0. The switch is closed at t equal to 0. So we have to find the current IT for this branch. So for transient analysis, the current equation is what? Current equation is given by IT equal to I infinite plus I0 minus I infinite and e to the power t by tau. This equation is for t greater than equal to 0. This is the equation of current. So we have to find here I infinite and I0 and I infinite. So the condition is given. This is suppose the timeline. Okay. So for t equal to 0, the switch is closed. So for t greater than 0, switch is also closed. And for t less than 0, the switch is open for a long time. So minus infinite to t, the switch is open, and t equal to 0 to t infinite, the switch is closed. This is the condition is given. Now come to the main point. The switch is closed, switch is open at t less than equal to 0. So the circuit looks like this, 10 ampere. Okay, and here the 5 ohm resistance, and the switch is open like this, and here the 5 ohm, and the here is 2.5 Henry inductance. Correct, this is 5 ohm. So here the current is going at I less than time 0 minus. I denote 0 minus for t less than 0. So I0 minus will be what? Here the branch is open, so simple, it is current is 0 ampere. Okay, the statement is here the switch is closed for a long time, so this inductor will get fully charged for a long time. This 10 ampere source is connected to this 5 ohm and this 5 ohm and 2.5 Henry. So inductor will behave as a short circuit. Why it is behaving as a short circuit? Because it gets full charge. Okay, so it gets full charge, so it will be getting full charge, so it will behave as a short circuit. Okay, so the circuit looks like this, 10 ampere, here the 5 ohm, and this is open, and this is 5 ohm, and it behaves like a short circuit like this. This is 2.5 Henry, and this is 5 ohm. So it will behave as a short circuit. Now the main point is the current I0 minus is 0 ampere as we discussed before, but here when it will be short circuit, the IL0 minus is what? The current is going to this inductance IL0 minus t less than 0 is what? The 5 ohm, the 10 ampere is the source, this is current is coming to 5 ohm, and this also coming to 5 ohm, this is short circuit. So by current division rule, this will be 10 by 2, that means 5 ampere. So we get 2 points here. At I equal to 0 minus is 0 ampere and IL0 minus is 5 ampere. Now at t equal to 0, the switch is closed. So the circuit looks like this, 10 ampere, this is 5 ohm, and this is closed. Okay, and this is 5 ohm, and this is 2.5 Henry. This is behaving as a short circuit, 2.5 Henry, and this will to 5 ohm. So the all current is passing through this. So at t equal to 0, I0 will be 10 ampere. This is wrong. Why this is wrong? Correct this statement. At IL0 minus is 5 ampere, so IL0 plus is also 5 ampere, because inductor opposes the change of current, for a small time current. Okay, so IL0 minus will be equal to IL0 plus will be equal to 5 ampere. So the circuit is now 10 ampere. This is 5 ohm, this is close switched, and here the 5 ohm and here the inductance. So here the 5 ohm and this is 2.5 Henry, but the current is going here is 5 ampere in this branch, because 2.5 Henry has 5 ampere. So I0 plus what is here, I0 plus the 10 ampere is coming, 10 ampere is coming, it will follow lowest path, so it will 10 minus 5, 5 ampere is going here, so 10 minus 5 is going here, means 5 ampere is the correct current which is going to the switch branch. So here the many students make a very small mistake, they will make I0 plus will be 10 ampere. This is wrong, because the inductor opposes the change of current. Now at t equal to infinite, what will happen at t equal to infinite? 10 ampere, the switch is closed, this is 5 Henry, 5 ohm, the switch is closed, and this is 5 ohm and this will 2.5 amp. So at t equal to infinite, here I infinite, what will be the I infinite? I infinite will be this 10 ampere source and this current is passing through like this. At this time the current here will be 0. I infinite, IL infinite will be 0, because inductor is a separate here. It is a source free RL circuit like this, 5 and 2.5. When it will be short, it will be source free RL circuit. So the current, it discharge or getting charged, discharge or getting charged, discharge or getting charged. So no current, other current will be, no, it will be not 0, but no other current, the source current is going through this. So the all source current 10 ampere will pass through here. I infinite is 10 ampere. Now IT equal to what? I infinite plus I0 minus I infinite e to the power t by tau for t greater than equal to 0. Put all the values. I infinite is 10, I0 is 5, I infinite is 10 minus e to the power t by tau. Now this is the current equation, t by tau or IT. So this is the current equation for IT. Now what is the tau here? Tau is time constant. What is tau? Tau is time constant. For RL circuit, the tau is tau equal to L by R TH. So for RTH, yeah, tau calculation, what will we do? We make a circuit for t greater than equal to 0. So this is a short and here is the 5 ohm, and we will see the R equivalent from L. So from L, RTH equal to 5 ohm. So the tau will be L equal to 2.5 and RTH equal to 5. This will become 1 by 2. This will become 0.5. So IT equal to what we get? TVS 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5 e to the power t by 0.5. Now we have to calculate the current at t equal to 0.5. So this will be 10 minus 5 e to the power 0.5 upon 0.5. Now this will be 10 e to the 10 minus 5 e to the power minus 1. So when we calculate by its calculator, 5 upon e, so calculating the current will be 8.16 ampere. So this is the solution of this question, and this question tells us very fundamental property of inductor. For a long time inductor charging, it will be behave as a short circuit. And the second property, inductor opposes the change of current. So the examiner wanted to check you know the property of inductor or not. So not getting to any confusion, do not calculate the IL circuit. If you calculate the IL current in the terms of ILT, now then you have to 10 minus ILT. If you calculate here ILT, so for I you have to calculate 10 minus ILT. This will be also correct, but that will be some complex calculation. So this is easy solution of this question. Thanks you very much.